In this video, let's look at creating different types of toolpaths in RouterCAM. I'm just going to type in circle in the command line here, or choose it out of the list. And let's just say I'm going to do a 4-inch circle, so I'll type a radius in of 2 inches. All right, what we're going to do is just show you in this video how in RouterCAM you can create different toolpaths easily. I'm going to give it a thickness of -0.75 here. Then I'm just going to copy this circle. I'm just going to type in copy and select the circle. I'm going to copy it and just make 3 more circles. So I'm just keep moving it to the right and clicking, that's copying it. And then once I make the last circle, I'm just going to right click and that escapes that command. So in the second circle, let's make it a 3/8 female. I want to come in and cut out the inside of it. We'll go to the next circle now and I'll select it. And we'll make it a 3/8 line. And on the last circle, we'll make that a 3/8 data. So we're using the same tool every time. I'm just showing you how you can take one tool in RouterCAM and make it do a wide variety of toolpaths. Now this last one, since we're doing a data, I don't want to go 3/4 inch deep. I just want to go 1/4 inch deep. So I'll make that -0.250. All right, so once I've got this created, to create the G-code and to preview the G-code, I can just go to G-code, select all 4 circles, and then bring them into RouterCAM. Let's display the code. So you can see right off the way, the first circle is the male. It's cutting a 3/8 tool, it's cutting the outside of the circle. The second one's the 3/8 female, so it's cutting the inside of the same circle. So you could use that for an inlay or whatever you wanted to do. The third one is cutting the center line of that circle, so it's just going to come in and cut around the center line of that circle. And the very last one is doing a dado, because it's not cutting all the way through. It's only cutting a 1/4 inch deep and doing a dado. And that's how easy and quick you can create different toolpaths using RouterCAM. Now on the right hand side here is just showing you your code, like the go back up here to the top. It's going to start and do the 3/8 dado first, and it tells you it's doing a 3/8 dado. Then it's going to do the line cut and then the 3/8 female, and the last thing it's going to do is cut it out. I appreciate you watching the video, and it's how quick and easy you can use RouterCAM and RouterCAD to make your toolpaths. Thank you very much.